How to add motion blur effect to text and images. To begin, I added a colored background and a text to my timeline, and I want to animate this text with motion blur. Start by going to Effects panel and search for Transform. Drag and drop Transform effect into your text or image. With your text selected, go to Effect Controls. Make sure the playhead is at the start. Under Transform, click on Stopwatch next to Rotation to create a starting keyframe. Now move the playhead forward and increase rotation. This act causes our text to rotate, but we want it to have motion blur. To add motion blur, first make sure Use Composition Shutter Angle is unchecked, then increase the angle to a higher value like 200. Now we have this transition with motion blur. Use this button to move the playhead to second keyframe and increase the rotation value. If the image is not rotating properly, use Selection tool and double-click on the image in Program panel. Now make sure this blue circle is in the middle of your text or image. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.